If we are serious as farmers, when are we going to start treating a liter of milk with the same seriousness we treat a kg of cow dung? 55 kg every day translates to 55 times 30 every month. 55 kg times 55 times 30 days times 12 months will translate into several tons of what? Manure. Let me ask you, if we invested in learning how to create fertilizer from that manure by enriching it and making it a better product, who will require to go and buy chemical fertilizer?
No one.
And if we don't, won't we increase our wealth creation through dairy? Will we not realize that a cow means nearly everything for us? Now, after you produced your manure, and even if you sold it at 1 shilling a kg or 10 shillings a kg, and you, people in the Rift Valley, for example, a Kalenjin man or woman would have 20, 30 cows, or 10, or even 5. If this one gives you a ton a month, times 10 is 12 months, 10 tons. The other one, 10 tons. You have 10 times 10 tons. If you have only an acre of land and you replow your manure in that piece of land, won't it translate back to a forest where you can farm without having to add chemical fertilizer? Won't you save the money you would have taken to fertilizer? Won't you grow healthier products? Now, that is where MolaPlus as a company, we pay a lot of attention to knowledge impartation. We educate farmers all over, not only Kenya. We educate farmers in Kenya for free. Kenyan farmers, we educate them for free as long as they are 50 and above.